it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I am coming at you with a jewelry update for today. It is Sunday, April the 15th, and I've had a couple people ask me to share some of my finished pieces from the beads from some of my other videos, the haul videos, and particularly the subscription videos. So I thought that was a really fun suggestion, and I wanted to share some of my latest pieces. I'm really excited about them. I was excited to get started with using some of these new beads, especially the new shapes that I had never used before. So it was a lot of fun putting some things together, and I hope you enjoy seeing the pieces. And I also want to just mention, I am just so excited by all the new subscribers. I am brand new to YouTube, and I am extremely introverted. So this is something that's very outside of my comfort zone, and I really can't thank you all enough for subscribing. It really just gives me a lot of motivation and enthusiasm to do more videos, and I love beads, I love making jewelry, so as long as I keep getting the support and I feel like people are enjoying what I'm presenting, then I'm happy to continue. So thanks a bunch. Every single one of you just makes my day. So thank you. Well, without further ado, I have, as you can see, 2 necklaces and 3 pairs of earrings. So let's see, I want to start with this one here. And this was an interesting piece. Something I really like to do is I like to take some of my old worn jewelry. I shouldn't really call it old, but just worn or unloved jewelry, pieces that may be broken, or for example, with this one, this was a pair of earrings and I had lost one of the earrings. So I had gotten these tulip beads recently in one of my dollar bead box subscriptions, and I just love them. I think they are beautiful, the color, and just there's striations of clear in there as well, and then of course the shape is just so unique. But I was looking at some of my jewelry that I had taken apart and pieces that I had sitting around that I was like, I could do something with this, but I wasn't sure what. And I noticed how well that it coordinated with these tulip beads. I just really like them together. I mean, the color is perfect between the two of them. And also what I liked was that this earring had an antique brass finish. So I thought, this would be really pretty with maybe some chain. And I had these seed beads as well that were kind of coordinating, and I wanted to incorporate some seed beads. So I did that as well. And then these connectors, you might recognize, they came from the most recent April 2018 bead crate. So I've been able to utilize quite a few items. And then I just added a little extender chain on the end. But I was really excited to use these new to me items, the Tulip Czech glass beads here, and these very, very nice antique brass connectors, as well as reuse a earring that, wouldn't have been used. It would have been, who knows, gotten rid of, I don't know, but it makes a really beautiful pendant, and I just love it together with the piece. And because I went ahead and made the necklace, I wanted to make a pair of matching earrings, so that's what you see here, just a fun pair of earrings that coordinate with the necklace. Alright, so that is the first project, and then the next project was, as you probably saw, we received so many gorgeous crystal AB beads in the April 2018 bead crate. And some of the beads were these beautiful Czech glass feathers with this AB finish. And I was just kind of playing around with them, and I'm like, what am I going to do with these, And I had them up to this antique brass chain, and I thought, wow, I just really like the combination. So I just kind of went with it. I decided I was going to do something asymmetrical. So I decided to put 2 on the side, and I just used the head pins here and fed them on to the head pins. I used another couple of the beautiful antique brass connectors that Bead Crate sent. And then these are some of the, I think it was the 6mm crystal AB faceted rounds that they had also sent. And I just, put them kind of randomly on head pins, connected them with various links, and added some more chain back here, nice antique brass toggle clasp, and I just really think it's cute. It's very cute on. I like the kind of asymmetrical look. It's something that's a little different. So those are the 2 necklaces, and then I made a pair of earrings out of the Czech glass feather beads as well. And I was trying to come up with what I wanted to do for earrings with these beads, and I thought of all kinds of things I could put with them, and in the end I just went with simplicity. I thought they were so beautiful on their own with the antique brass ear wires, and so I just went with that, and I'm really happy with them. They look really cute with this necklace, and it was just a lot of fun to put together. And again, I just love working with these new shapes and finishes, and Czech glass is just awesome. So a lot of fun there. And then finally, I made these crystal tile teardrop earrings. And these were a design that I came up with inspired by some earrings that I had seen on Pinterest. So I decided to kind of make them my own. I used a little bit different variations on what I had seen there, and incorporated these gorgeous Czech glass teardrops and these AB finished tile beads. Everything on these earrings that you see is from the April Bead Crate, which is fantastic. I just cannot say enough about that first box that I received. It's the first subscription box I've ever received from them, and I'm not affiliated with them at all. I just wanted to try them out, thought I would share, and I even posted a tutorial on how to make these earrings. So if you are interested and you do have the Bead Crate, or maybe you have beads that are similar shape, or just want to watch and see me create these earrings, feel free to check out the tutorial. So these were the items that I made recently, and I appreciate you all asking about me sharing some of the finished products, and it was just so much fun to come up with these new designs and put these together. And so finally, I just want to mention that these items will be available on my Etsy shop at Orchid and Opal Jewelry in the coming days. So check back if you don't see them right away. They will be available by Monday, tomorrow the 16th. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get them up by then. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy, and happy beading! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy, Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!